Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see what is arrow functions and how we can write the code with arrow functions. So basically arrow function is the ES6 feature. This is one of my favorite features in ES6 and you can consider it as an alternative to normal functions in JavaScript. So let's see how to write normal functions and how to write the same logic with the arrow function. So I'm going to jsbean.com and you have to click on JavaScript and console. Then I am going to write a function here and I am going to log some data here. Now I'm calling this name. So if I run this, you will be able to see the data here and the alternative syntax we can write with the JavaScript ES6 arrow functions is like this. So I'm copying this and paste here. So you can get the same output when we use arrow functions here. So if you have any argument here, then you can send it like this: a comma b comma c, n number of arguments. It is similar like normal function, but the only difference is this one, the syntax. So you can send data while calling like this. You can see here we got the log, and I don't want here, and if I want to log the data here, then we can return like this. So you can see here we got the log, and if you want to send any integer, and if you want to do multiply or addition, you can do it like this. So another thing is if you have only one argument and if you want to log that, then you can do it like this. So this is the overall syntax for arrow functions, and thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on React.